Hi guys, have you ever heard this word, malware? I think the most of people have probably heard this word, but let's make it really simple. So what is malware?
Malware just means bad software. It's a program made to harm your computer or phone or to steal your information without you knowing.
Actually, that's the whole idea. Let's look at the common types.
Virus, worm, Trojan, ransomware, spyware, and adware.
How does the malware get into your device? What do you think?
Clicking a suspicious link, downloading pirated apps or movies, opening strange email attachments, plugging in a random USB.
Basically, malware need you to make a small mistake. That's how it gets in. So, how do we stay safe from malware?
Update your apps and phone regularly. Don't click links from strangers. Only download from official app stores. Use a good antivirus application.
That's really it. You don't want to be a tech expert. Just be a little careful, you will be safe. That's about malware. Explained simply. Do you like to collect this type of knowledge? Subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook page, and don't forget to like, share and comment your ideas. Bye.